Doctors have known about this meal for decades, and almost nobody is eating it. Right now, as you watch this, plaque could be quietly building inside your arteries, narrowing them, hardening them, and silently setting the stage for a heart attack or stroke. Most people have no warning signs until it is too late. But here is what the research is making increasingly clear. What you eat has a profound and measurable impact on the health of your arteries. There is one specific meal built from a powerful combination of proven natural ingredients that scientists and cardiologists have studied extensively for its ability to reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol, and actively support the clearing of arterial buildup. Today, we are breaking it down completely. Segment 1. Why your arteries get blocked. Before we get to the meal, you need to understand what you are actually fighting. Arterial plaque is a dangerous mixture of cholesterol, fat, calcium, and inflammatory cells that accumulates along the inner walls of your blood vessels over time. The primary drivers are a diet high in processed foods, refined sugars, and trans fats, combined with chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and poor circulation. When arteries narrow, the heart has to work harder to pump blood. Blood pressure rises. Oxygen delivery to vital organs drops. The risk of clots, heart attacks, and strokes increases dramatically. The good news is that the same system that gets damaged can be supported, and in many cases, partially reversed through targeted, strategic nutrition. Segment 2. The best meal to clear your arteries. This is not a single exotic superfood. It is a carefully constructed meal where each component works synergistically with the others to target arterial health from multiple angles at once. The base. Wild-caught salmon is one of the most cardiovascular protective foods on the planet. It is loaded with EPA and DA omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown in clinical research to reduce triglycerides, lower systemic inflammation, decrease blood clotting tendency, and support the flexibility of arterial walls. Aim for a palm-sized portion, baked or pan-seared without processed oils. The addition: roasted garlic is among the most well-researched foods for cardiovascular health. Its active compound, allicin, has been shown to reduce LDL cholesterol oxidation, lower blood pressure, inhibit platelet aggregation, and exhibit direct anti-inflammatory effects on blood vessel walls. Roasting garlic mellows the flavor while preserving much of its therapeutic potency. Add several cloves directly to the dish. The side: avocado slices. Avocado provides a rich source of monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, which actively raises HDL, the good cholesterol responsible for transporting excess cholesterol away from the arteries and back to the liver for elimination. Avocado also delivers potassium, which counteracts the arterial stiffening effects of excess sodium and helps regulate blood pressure naturally. The finishing touch: ground flaxseed and walnuts. Sprinkle a tablespoon of ground flaxseed and a small handful of walnuts over the top. Both are exceptional plant-based sources of ALA, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, compounds that have been shown to reduce arterial inflammation and support healthy cholesterol balance. Segment 3. Why this combination works. Each ingredient in this meal targets a different mechanism of arterial damage, and when consumed together, their effects are compounded. The omega-3s from salmon, flaxseed, and walnuts reduce inflammation at the vascular level. The nitrates from leafy greens improve circulation and arterial flexibility. The allicin from garlic lowers cholesterol oxidation and blood pressure. The monounsaturated fats from avocado and olive oil raise protective HDL while shielding LDL from damage. The antioxidants from lemon and olive oil neutralize the free radicals that trigger plaque formation. Start with this meal. Your heart will thank you for it.